If your day feels like a doodle gone wrong, you're in for a treat. Did you know that sometimes the silliest cartoons hold the wisest secrets? Take Mr. Whiskers, a cat with a passion for, well, napping. But when his comfy pillow goes missing, he's on a mission. Here's the kicker. Mr. Whiskers learns to share and help others in need, even if it means a little less nap time for him. What's the big lesson here? It's simple, but golden sharing brings more joy than keeping all the goodies to yourself. So next time you find the last cookie in the jar, think of Mr. Whiskers. Maybe sharing it could double the fun. Who knew cartoons could be so deep, right?